Avocados, often called the alligator pear due to their rough, green skin, have a rich and ancient history. They originated in south-central Mexico over 10,000 years ago. Yes, you heard that right. Long before modern agriculture, avocados were already a staple food for the native peoples of Mesoamerica. The earliest evidence of avocado consumption comes from ancient pits found in a cave in Puebla, Mexico, dating back to around 7,000 to 5,000 BCE. The ancient Aztecs and Mayans revered the avocado. They called it a huacatl, which translates to testicle in their native Nahuatl language. No surprise considering the avocado's shape. But beyond the humor, avocados held spiritual significance for these civilizations. They believed the fruit possessed life-giving properties. In fact, the Mayans considered the avocado tree sacred, often planting them near temples and homes. Avocados were also used as part of Aztec and Mayan medicine. They believed it helped with fertility and provided essential nourishment. This early recognition of avocados' nutritional benefits was spot on, as we'll explore in more detail later. Fast forward to the 16th century, when Spanish conquistadors arrived in the Americas. These explorers were amazed by the avocado and quickly introduced it to Europe. However, the fruit didn't gain immediate popularity there. After all, shipping avocados across the Atlantic wasn't exactly easy. But little did the Spanish know that avocados would soon embark on a global journey, spreading far beyond their ancient roots in Mexico. And today, avocados have become a symbol of modern wellness, from Instagram feeds to high-end restaurant menus. Throughout history, avocados have been more than just food. They've been a symbol of prosperity, fertility, and cultural identity. In ancient Mesoamerican cultures like the Aztecs and Mayans, the avocado was often associated with fertility due to its shape, and it was considered a luxurious food reserved for the elite. It wasn't just something you found in anyone's garden. The Aztecs, for instance, believed eating avocados would enhance fertility and sexual energy, often linking it to their gods of love and life. But avocados weren't just consumed. The Mayans and Aztecs also used avocado oil for its medicinal properties. It was an essential ingredient in their skincare rituals, used to moisturize the skin and treat wounds. Even today, avocado oil is prized for its rich, nourishing properties, so it's no wonder these ancient civilizations had already discovered its value. Fast forward to the 19th century. As avocados began to spread beyond Mexico and Central America, their cultural significance evolved. In the Caribbean, avocados became known as the butter pear due to their creamy texture, replacing butter in many traditional dishes. In Brazil, avocados were often mashed and sweetened to make desserts, a practice that still exists today. In the United States, the avocado's journey was slow but steady. It wasn't until the early 20th century, when California farmers began cultivating the fruit, that avocados started to gain popularity in the U.S. At first, they were marketed as an exotic, luxury item, something that only the wealthy could afford. The fruit became a symbol of affluence and health, especially in Hollywood, where celebrities endorsed its benefits for beauty and wellness. By the 1970s, avocados had moved from being a niche product to a mainstream food, largely thanks to the rise of Mexican cuisine in the U.S. Guacamole became a household name, and the avocado solidified its place in American food culture. But this was just the beginning. In the decades to come, avocados would take on a new identity, transforming from a food of the gods to a superfood loved by millions. It's no wonder avocados have been called a superfood. Packed with nutrients, they're one of the most nutritionally dense fruits you can eat. Let's break it down. First up, avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, the same kind found in olive oil. In fact, about 77% of an avocado's calories come from fat, but don't let that scare you. These are the good fats, which have been shown to help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower your risk of heart disease. But that's just the beginning. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium. Actually, they contain more potassium than a banana. Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, and most people don't get enough of it in their diets. So, eating avocados can help balance your potassium levels, which in turn supports heart health. Avocados are also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. This makes them a great addition to any diet, especially if you're trying to manage your weight. One medium avocado contains about 13 grams of fiber, which is nearly half of the recommended daily intake for adults. But wait, there's more. Avocados are packed with vitamins and minerals. They're high in vitamin K, which supports bone health, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Not to mention, they're also a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and brain health. And let's not forget about their impact on skin health. Avocados are loaded with compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that help protect your skin from UV damage. That's why avocado oil is commonly found in skincare products, because it helps hydrate and protect the skin from the inside out. The health benefits don't stop there. Studies have shown that regular avocado consumption can improve gut health, reduce inflammation, and even support eye health, thanks to its high levels of carotenoids. In short, avocados are a nutritional powerhouse that not only taste amazing, but can improve your health in a variety of ways. The avocado's journey from ancient Mesoamerican farms to supermarket shelves around the world has been nothing short of extraordinary. Today, avocados are grown in warm climates across the globe, but the largest producers are still Mexico, followed by the Dominican Republic, Peru, and the United States, specifically California and Florida. Mexico alone accounts for nearly 40% of the world's avocado supply, with the state of Michoacán being the epicenter of production. The process of growing avocados on a commercial scale is an intricate balance of nature, technology, and labor. Avocado trees thrive in subtropical climates with mild temperatures and well-drained soil. But here's the thing. Avocado farming isn't as simple as planting a tree and waiting for it to bear fruit. It can take an avocado tree up to 5 to 7 years to fully mature and produce its first crop. One of the reasons avocados are so highly prized is the labor-intensive nature of their cultivation. Each avocado must be harvested by hand to ensure that it doesn't get damaged during picking. This is a time-consuming process that requires skilled workers who know exactly when the fruit is ready. Pick too early, and the avocado won't ripen properly. Wait too long, and the fruit can spoil. But that's not the only challenge farmers face. Avocados are notoriously thirsty crops, requiring large amounts of water to grow, nearly 70 gallons of water per pound of fruit. This has raised concerns in regions where water is scarce, like California. As a result, many farmers are turning to innovative solutions, such as drip irrigation systems and rainwater harvesting, to make avocado farming more sustainable. Another interesting development in modern avocado farming is the rise of organic avocados. With growing demand for organic produce, more and more avocado farms are shifting to organic practices, avoiding synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. However, the transition to organic farming can be costly and time-consuming, which is why organic avocados often come with a higher price tag. As avocados have grown in popularity, so too has the global supply chain that supports them. Today, avocados are shipped all over the world, making them available year-round. In fact, the avocado industry has become so lucrative that it's often referred to as green gold, especially in regions like Mexico, where it contributes significantly to the local economy. Despite the challenges of water usage and labor, the demand for avocados shows no signs of slowing down. Farmers continue to innovate, ensuring that avocados remain a staple of modern diets and a symbol of healthy living. Avocados have become more than just a fruit. They are a global economic powerhouse. What started as a regional crop in Mexico has exploded into a multi-billion-dollar industry that spans continents. In fact, the global avocado market was valued at over $13 billion in 2023, and it's expected to keep growing as demand continues to rise. But what's driving this global obsession with avocados? Let's start with food culture. In countries like the United States, the rise of health-conscious eating has played a significant role in avocado consumption. From avocado toast to guacamole, this fruit has become a symbol of modern, healthy living. Restaurants, cafes, and food chains around the world have embraced the avocado, creating trendy dishes that cater to millennials and health-conscious consumers alike. The versatility of avocados, they can be eaten raw, smashed, blended into smoothies, or added to salads, has made them a must-have ingredient in kitchens around the globe. But avocados aren't just popular in restaurants. They've also become a staple in the global packaged food industry. You'll find avocados in everything from ready-made guacamole to avocado oil, which has become increasingly popular as a healthier alternative to traditional cooking oils. Avocado oil's high smoke point makes it ideal for cooking, and it's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, making it a favorite among health-conscious consumers. Beyond food, avocados have also found their way into the beauty and skincare industry. Avocado oil is now a common ingredient in moisturizers, hair treatments, and even makeup products. Its natural hydrating properties make it ideal for dry or sensitive skin, and its nutrient-rich profile means it's in high demand for beauty products aimed at promoting healthy skin and hair. Then there's the rise of avocado-based supplements. From capsules to powders, the nutritional benefits of avocados are being bottled and sold as health boosters, further cementing the fruit's place in the wellness industry. Now let's talk about the global avocado trade. Mexico is by far the largest exporter of avocados, but countries like Peru, Chile, and South Africa are also major players in the market. These countries rely heavily on avocado exports to boost their economies, especially during peak avocado seasons. For instance, Mexico's avocado exports to the U.S. surge every year during the Super Bowl season, when Americans consume massive amounts of guacamole. In fact, over 100 million pounds of avocados are eaten during Super Bowl weekend alone. The global demand for avocados has also created a fiercely competitive market, with countries vying to become top suppliers. This competition has led to advances in farming techniques, more efficient supply chains, and even political challenges, as some regions face issues related to trade regulations and environmental sustainability. Despite these challenges, the avocado industry continues to thrive. As global consumption rises, so too do the opportunities for farmers, businesses, and entrepreneurs to capitalize on the avocado craze. Whether in food, beauty, or wellness, avocados are here to stay, shaping industries and diets all over the world. Avocados may be serious business, but they also have a fun and fascinating side. Let's dive into some quirky facts, myths, and trends that you might not know about this green superfruit. First, did you know that the avocado is technically a berry? Yep, despite its large seed, botanically speaking, avocados are classified as a single-seeded berry. And because it's a fruit, avocados often surprise people who assume they belong in the vegetable category. But what makes them unique is their creamy, buttery texture, unlike any other fruit out there. Now, let's bust a popular myth, that avocados are fattening. Sure, they're high in fats, but they're good fats, heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can actually help you maintain a healthy weight by keeping you full and satisfied. In fact, studies show that including avocados in your diet can even aid weight loss when combined with other healthy habits. One of the more bizarre facts about avocados is their connection to dinosaurs. Yes, dinosaurs. Fossils show that large prehistoric animals like the giant ground sloth and the glyptodon, an armadillo-like creature, likely ate whole avocados, swallowing the massive seeds and dispersing them across ancient landscapes. So, in a way, you can thank these ancient animals for the avocado's survival and spread. Here's another fun fact. Avocados were once considered dangerous by the European elite. In the 16th and 17th centuries, Europeans believed that avocados had aphrodisiac qualities, which led to the fruit being avoided by the upper classes, who worried it would tarnish their reputations. Of course, we now know that avocados are far from dangerous, unless you count the avocado hand injuries that happen when people mishandle the fruit while trying to remove the pit. Now let's talk about trends. In recent years, avocados have exploded in popularity, particularly among millennials. Social media platforms like Instagram are filled with photos of avocado toast, guacamole bowls, and even avocado art. Yes, that's right. Some food artists are creating intricate sculptures and designs using avocado flesh, turning this simple fruit into a work of art. And avocados have also become a cultural symbol for wellness and sustainability. In fact, they've become so popular that their high demand has sparked some ethical concerns. For example, the environmental impact of avocado farming, including water usage and deforestation, has led to conversations about how to make the industry more sustainable. But despite these challenges, avocados have solidified their place in the spotlight. Whether they're featured in viral food trends like the avocado latte, yes, that's a thing, or used as a base for dairy-free ice cream, avocados are more versatile and trendy than ever. They've become a cultural icon, representing both health-conscious living and creative culinary experimentation. So, whether you're smashing them on toast, blending them into smoothies, or slicing them into salads, avocados aren't just a passing trend. They're a permanent part of our food culture and our history. If you enjoyed learning all about avocados, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because in the next video, we're diving deep into the world of pineapples, from their tropical origins to their sweet and tangy benefits. You won't want to miss it.